Alright guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the F-Day Fairtex green gloves, like a suede green from Amazon. I got these for $65 on a deal, and it comes with a cool necklace. It's pretty sweet.
Alright, I'm trying out this tripod today with my unboxing. Shit, where's my knife? Here it is. These are in the market for a good California legal knife. This was made by Kershaw. There you go. It's pretty sweet. This trigger releases it automatically. So far, it's still legal in California. Let's go ahead and open these gloves up. Wow, they're kind of big. They look like 18-ounce gloves. They weigh like 16 though. I kind of want to check out this sweet necklace. It didn't come with a cool box. I think the seller might have kept it because it's probably limited edition, you know. But look, it is. There's a letter. Pretty cool. It says, "Dear soldier, welcome to the F-Day operation, a military operation that has never previously been experienced in military history. You will find a day, Z-Day, and many others in between, but not F-Day because it's a super top secret operation run by the Fairtex Company Infantry Regiment. Congratulations, with no S. Congratulations. F-Day is being revealed to you because you have been selected for this operation." Inside the box are the F-Day limited edition gloves. Tina, shut up! Please. These are brand new gloves from the Fairtex Company. We use microfiber, which is a long-lasting and odorless material with a smooth touch and feel. We also redesigned the functionality of padding inside the gloves to attain a correct and consistent weight and maximum comfort. Please note that this brand new version, the heck, of Fairtex gloves are only available for F-Day operations, and now they belong to you. Please make sure you find your name tag inside the box and be ready for F-Day operation. Good luck and God bless you. Sincerely yours, Fairtex F-Day Operation Chief, with a top secret logo.
So yeah, it comes with this cool little military style chain. Probably says Fairtex on it, which is pretty neat. Let's see if I can focus on this. Fairtex F-Day. There I am. Cool. So on to the fun stuff. So here it says 16. Yeah, they're pretty neat. This might get a little dirty, but it's all good. They're really flat, you know, like a traditional Fairtex entry-level glove. I just got them because of the green suede. They're fairly, you know, flexible to catch ankles and legs. But yeah, I can't wait to try them out. It's cool. They got this little rope here so you can hold on to it. A lot of opening here, no big deal. Just wrap your hands nice and tight, and these are cool. They're very fashion show for you fashion show people. Dude, these things are pretty sweet. I got these because my Cleto Reyes are actually 14 ounces. They feel like 16s, but I got called out in sparring because some guy said that I was cheating, that I was using a 14 ounce instead of a 16 ounce glove. But yeah, now they can't say shit. So I'm back to 16. I'm a big Cleto Reyes Hayabusa glove collector. I got all kinds of Hayabusa gloves. I gave most of my Hayabusa gloves out, the GSPs, so I'm using my MMA Hayabusas. I've got my 14 ounce Cleto Reyes gloves. Yeah, they're 14, should be. It's on here somewhere. Oh, sorry, they're 12. Anyway. So yeah, that's why I got called out in sparring. But definitely good investment if you want to impress people at the gym, I guess. Or just have a nice green glove. Pretty sweet. Eat some persimmons. Have a good day. Bye. So one thing I forgot to mention about the Fairtex glove is that on the inside there's like a lining, and it seems to get folded numerous times in here. It's kind of whoa, this guy just took a dive. it's kind of uncomfortable. But if you tuck the liner into here, push your fingers all the way forward, it might not be that bad. They're a little sweaty, a little thin, not that strong on the wrist support, but you know, that's what your hand wraps are for. But pretty neat glove. I like the material. It's pretty cool. Definitely a good investment.